Hey guys, we received this Shinlia Silicone Scalp Massager Shampoo Brush. So it's a head scrubber with a soft bristles. So it's self the scalp exfoliator for just cleaning and rubbing. So let me just open up this. So this comes in a normal box, and this is the brush itself. It's a nice, cute blue color, and then very nice soft bristles, as I can feel it here. And it's a cone size bristles, so and it's give like more durability. So it's easy to hang, easy to hold like from the back stuff, ultra soft. And then there is around like 2.5 centimeter of this brush teeth and this soft silicone touch, so you can use it both like wet and the dry use. So it's good thing. So I will say it's a durable, waterproof, and really nice size. So it's 3.5 inches in the length and 2.48 inches in the height. So even in the dry thing, you can easily use this brush and give a really good massage on the scalp. It's a nice brush.